Thinking about taking to the skies without breaking the bank? Well, buckle up because we're diving into the world of budget drones. Gone are the days when you needed a master's degree in aeronautics and a treasure chest of gold coins to pilot your own flying machine. Whether you're eager to capture breathtaking aerial shots or just want to zip around for fun, we've rounded up the best budget drones that won't leave your wallet gasping for air. Ready for liftoff? Let's soar! Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Velcase S101, our pick for best budget drone for beginners and kids. If you're on the lookout for a budget-friendly drone that won't break the bank but promises a sky-high adventure, you've just found your new flying buddy, the Velcase S101. Perfectly suited for beginners and kids with a knack for exploration, this little wonder packs a punch with its 1080p HD camera. Because who doesn't want to capture their epic flights in stunning clarity? Control it with the Velcase VGO app and enjoy real-time footage straight to your device. With nifty features like optical flow positioning and barometric altitude hold, you'll feel like a seasoned pilot from your very first flight. Oh, and did we mention the cool tricks? 3 speed modes and 3D flips await, giving your aerial maneuvers that extra flair. Worried about battery life? Fret not. The S101 comes with 2 durable 1050 mAh batteries, ensuring you can soar for up to 26 minutes before touching down. Plus, it's foldable, so it fits right into your backpack next to your snacks. The one key takeoff feature means you'll be in the air quicker than you can say drone selfie. With safety features like propeller guards and built-in overcurrent protection, you can fly with confidence. Whether you're capturing family gatherings from above or competing in friendly flying contests, the Velcase S101 promises an exhilarating experience that's more fun than a puppy with a new toy. Get ready to take your fun to new heights. Number 4. Holy Stone HS175D, our pick for best budget lightweight drone. If you're on the hunt for a budget-friendly drone that doesn't skimp on features, meet the Holy Stone HS175D, your new aerial sidekick. At just 166 grams, this lightweight wonder is a breeze to carry around, and its foldable design means it's as portable as your favorite pair of headphones. Equipped with a 1080p HD camera that adjusts within 90 degrees at your beck and call, the HS175D turns your ordinary moments, beach days, family reunions, into cinematic masterpieces. With a 112-degree wide-angle lens, you'll capture more than just the usual selfies. You'll be pulling off those sweeping shots like a pro. Worried about battery life? Don't be. With up to 20 minutes of flight time, you'll have more than enough time to explore your surroundings and push those boundaries. And with features like automatic takeoff and hovering, even those who struggle with remote controls will feel like seasoned pilots in no time. Need to impress your friends? One key high-speed rotation adds an extra dash of flair to your flights, guaranteeing giggles and wow moments. The HS175D isn't just a drone. It's your ticket to adventure, creativity, and endless fun in the skies. Still searching for the perfect budget drone? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Holy Stone HS175D, our pick for best budget drone with 4K camera. If you're on the hunt for an affordable drone that won't break the bank but delivers jaw-dropping performance, meet the Holy Stone HS175D, your new flying buddy. This little marvel is packed with features that make it perfect for beginners and seasoned flyers alike, all while keeping the price tag friendly enough for your wallet. Equipped with a stunning 4K ultra-clear camera and a 110-degree wide-angle lens, you can capture all your epic adventures in high-definition glory. Whether you're trying to snap the perfect sunset or track your friends as they stumble on a hike, the 5 GHz FPV transmission has your back, ensuring smooth and stable videos even when Mother Nature decides to throw a tantrum. Worried about your drone wandering off like a lost puppy? Fear not. With its GPS auto return feature, the HS175D will gracefully return to you whenever it loses signal, goes out of range, or is running low on battery. No more dodging a potential drone drama. Plus, enjoy a whopping 46 minutes of flight time with the 2 included batteries. Throw in easy-to-use features like altitude hold, 1-key takeoff and landing, and a stylish carrying case, and you've got a solid companion for all your airborne escapades. And at just under 250 grams, you can kiss FAA registration goodbye. So, are you ready to take your adventures to new heights with the Holy Stone HS175D? Buckle up, the sky is the limit. Number 2. DJI Mini4K, our pick for best budget drone for long-distance control. If you're ready to take your aerial adventures to the next level without breaking the bank, the DJI Mini4K is your new best buddy. Weighing in at under 249 grams, this featherweight marvel lets you soar through the skies without the pesky hassle of FAA registration. Who has time for that? Get ready to unleash your inner Spielberg with stunning 4K Ultra HD visuals, thanks to its smooth 3-axis gimbal that keeps your shot steady, whether you're capturing a picturesque sunset or a wild party. Plus, with wind resistance up to 38 kilometers per hour, you can fly fearlessly, even when Mother Nature tries to throw you a curveball. But the fun doesn't stop there. With a jaw-dropping 10 kilometers, yes, 32,800 feet, of HD video transmission, you'll explore vast landscapes like a true wanderer. And let's not forget the battery options. Choose from 1, 2, or 3 batteries to keep the action rolling for up to 93 minutes. That's right, more flying, less charging. With easy controls and helpful tutorials, whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner, the DJI Mini4K invites you to boost your creativity and elevate your hobby. So gear up and get ready to capture moments that will make your friends green with envy. Your epic adventure awaits. Don't let anything hold you back. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. DJI Neo, our pick for best budget drone overall. If you're ready to elevate your aerial adventures without breaking the bank, let me introduce you to your new best friend, the DJI Neo. Weighing in at a feather-light 135 grams, yes, even lighter than your smartphone, this bad boy skips the FAA registration hassle and slides right into your pocket. Grab it on the go, and you're ready to capture those epic moments at family BBQs or on hiking expeditions with your mates. The DJI Neo's palm takeoff feature is a game changer. A simple button push and whoosh, you're soaring through the skies. Plus, you'll never miss a beat with its autofollow capability, ensuring you're always the star of your own show. With 8 creative quickshots modes, your vlogs will have your friends wondering if you hired a professional producer. And let's talk video quality. The 4K ultra-stabilized footage is so smooth, you'll think it was shot on a movie set. Whether you're kayaking or just strolling through a breezy park, the Neo has got you covered. Feeling a bit nervous about those swooping maneuvers? Fear not! With full coverage propeller guards, you can navigate your home or dodge tree branches without a care in the world. Ready to become the aerial auteur you were destined to be? The DJI Neo comes equipped with everything you need: battery, propeller guards, and a world of adventure. So what are you waiting for? Let's take flight! That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best budget drones. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which budget drone you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen! Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.